Today we are going to discuss business and profession and difference between the business and profession. Business and profession. Business and professions are generally used in two different contexts. Both terms have been used in widely different manner in different situations. Hence, a distinction between the two may sometimes be difficult. Business. Business simply means production and distribution of goods and services with a view to earn profit. Business means activity carried on continuously and systematically by a person by the application of his labor or skills with a view to earn an income. Business means remain busy in some production of goods and services to earn the profit. The following activities have been held to be the business: advertising, clearing, forwarding and shipping, courier services, insurance agencies, running a nursing home, stock and share broking, and dealing in securities, travel agencies, etc. These are some examples of business. Professions. Professions is generally understood as referring to an occupation which involves a skill controlled by the intellectual of the operator. Profession may be defined as an occupation which involves the rendering of professional services of a specialized and expert nature on the basis of profession, education, and competency and training. These are some examples of professions: legal and medical profession, engineering and architectures, CS, CA, technical consultancy and interior decoration, film acting and photography, singing and story writing. Difference between business and profession. On the basis of following points, we can differentiate between the business and profession. First one, that is the qualification. In case of the business, no prescribed qualification is required, but in case of the profession, there are some special skill or qualification is required, like MBBS, ICWA, CA, LLB. That is knowledge. In case of the business, general business and social knowledge is desirable, but in case of the profession, specialized and expert knowledge and skills is required to start any types of profession. Membership. Membership is not compulsory, but in case of the profession, there is a membership or must registered with some professional bodies to start any types of profession. Fees or price. Business charge same amount to all the customer in general, but in case of the professional fees or professional charge is there, different fees to the different clients. Legal constraint. There is a no legal restrictions to claim due to the business. In case of profession, there are certain legal binding before the professional files a suit. Social status. In case of the business, there is a high social status, but in case of the profession, there is the highest. Consideration. In case of the business, consideration is only profit, but in case of the profession, consideration is the fees charged by the different client different. Ethics. There is a no specific rules and ethics in case of the business, but in case of the profession, there is a specialized or a specified codes of conduct are to be followed in case of the profession.